Volador Large Baby Diaper Changing Pad Portable by Volador is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Portable Travel Changing Pad. This travel diaper changing pad makes diapering hassle-free when outing or travel with your baby. The diaper changing mat can hold diapers, wipes, baby toys, tissues, baby creams, ointments and other baby gadgets. Extra large size and spacious pockets, unlike most diaper changing mat on the market, which has unusable part for diaper changing. This changing station can be unfolds to 31.5 inches long and 13.8 inches wide for more maneuvering space. This changing station clutch also has a big zipper pocket and two mesh pockets inside and an interior pocket. Premium quality, made of non-toxic Oxford cloth, and thick padding foam inner. This diaper changing pad is gentle and skin-friendly to newborn babies and infants. Keeps your baby away from dirty surfaces and germs in public facilities. Waterproof and wipe clean, the baby nappy changing station can be fold and unfold quickly. Made of waterproof material, this diaper changing pad can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth or wipes. No more messy when you use this changing mat outside. Lightweight and easy carry, the compact baby diaper changing pad only weighs 11 oz. It's collapsible and portable for travel. The changing mat can be folded in small size, you can drop it in your carry bag, strap it to your wrist or attach it to stroller and baby carrier. Great for road trip, travel and everyday use.